everyone. I wanted to come and share a little birthday haul that I got. My birthday is February 10th. My husband came home with this birthday bag filled with some goodies after work on that day. It was a Monday. And these are the things that he got me. So he got me this really, pretty journal. Oh my gosh, I love the birds and the flowers. And inside it has Bible verses. They're different throughout. And has a pretty blue background paper. Excuse my nails, they're horrible. Hopefully I'm gonna fix that today. Another thing he got me in here was, if I can grab it, this fitness journal, which I can't really use right now, but I will be able to soon. So it says don't quit, and then in the black it says do it. Please excuse my little helper in here. He's right here, peekaboo, helping mommy, and he wants me to pop the bubble wrap with him. But here's the fitness journal. Hold on, my love. And every page looks like this. Not yet, baby. So it has a blank date. You can put your daily goals, your motivation, progress, gratitude, and then like notes. And it has a quote up here. So I think this will be really good for after I have the baby and I can start working out again. The week of my birthday, I actually couldn't work out at all on doctor's orders. Not even walking. He actually kind of almost put me on complete bed rest for the week because of the way the baby was positioned at the ultrasound. But I'm okay. Baby's okay. She's in position and I can work out again. He got me these Bluetooth earpods or Soundpods or whatever. They're like a much less expensive version of the Bluetooth Apple AirPod type of things. They're alright. They're okay. It's just the volume's not so great, but they'll work for now until I can get the Apple Pods that I want. But I like them for watching my little YouTube videos while I'm in bed and he goes to sleep and I don't disturb him. Oh, he got me. These were super cool. Oops. Sorry, guys. Hold on, my love. I've never seen these before. These are King Art Mixed Media Gel Sticks. And I tried out... Yes, you can see, my love. Yes. That, you want to... Oh, you're going to count? 3, 9? Let's count them. 1, 2... 2. Let me see your finger. 3, 4. No more count? Let me open it up, okay?
You open it up.
I want to open it up, yes.
You need the scissors.
I don't need the scissors, thank you.
You need your camera.
Here it is. Okay, let me set this to the side so you guys can see here.
Open up, Ma.
Hold on, baby. I love how he calls me Ma, my little helper.
Open up, Ma.
Yes, baby.
You could just $4.99.
$4.99. Thank you.
$4.99.
Okay. So I've never seen these before. When I saw them, I initially thought of those like waxy crayon looking things when I was a kid and used to get art sets for like Christmas and stuff. And then you color with it and then you can smear it. So I used one of these pink ones to like kind of test it out when I first got it. And I did that same thing. I got the color and then I just made a smear.
Mommy, look at this.
Yes.
4, 9,
And then I tried to smear it with just like my finger like that. I don't really know how to use these, but I like how it gives like that faded outer look. And then I tried to write on it. I tried to initially write on it with the pen like this, but it wouldn't work, so then I used a permanent marker and it went well. Then I wrote with pen first on the paper and then did the smear over it and it went well. So That's pretty cool. It's interesting. I will figure out a way to use these and learn how to use them, and then I will enjoy them. But they're very pretty. They have some kind of like shimmer in it. And I like them. I like the colors. They're really pretty. I'm trying to think of a way I can use them in my planner because honestly I use that the most, my planner. Yes, I'm gonna close it now, and it comes with this nice little plastic case that closes up. Not in there?
In there.
Yeah, Mommy.
In there.
You wanna help Mommy put it in there?
I have you. You put this one.
Okay, put in there.
Okay.
Okay, he's gonna help me with that, and I'm gonna move on. So then my boys came in and brought me each something. My 10-year-old brought me this, and in it is a little note. He gave me 4 pennies, and he gave me this note.
Oh no, it's not working.
And it's poop. So he gave me poop for my birthday, and thought it was hilarious. He's a little jokester.
See?
So he gave me poop for my birthday and 4 pennies. And then later that day he brought me this really pretty purple pen that he found and wanted me to have for my birthday. And it writes really nicely. Hold on, baby. Shh. So it's just a regular Bic pen, Bic round stick grip pen. And I wrote here and drew and colored in a little heart to see how it wrote, and it writes very pretty. And then my 9-year-old brought me, yes, my love, my 9-year-old. He brought me this little note, and then later, let me read the note first.
Open this.
Hold on, baby. Guys, I'm sorry for the, I know some people are annoyed with the interruptions, but you know, I'm a mother of 6, soon to be 7. I cannot do videos without my kids interrupting, so I apologize if you don't care for the interruptions, but it's part of my life. So he brought me this pretty little envelope that he made. Emma, would you please stop? Love, Mom. Put a string on it, and he wrote a little note from Azariah. Happy birthday, love you, Mommy.
Happy birthday, Maya.
Thank you. No, it's Mommy birthday. And then later he gave me some dollars.
It's my birthday.
Later he gave me $2. I tried to tell him to keep his money, but he insisted. So he gave me $2. Oh, and then later that day after wrestling practice, he brought me something, another gift, and I love it. He brought me this.
Can I eat it?
No, you cannot eat it. It's actually a piece of road. It's a piece of rock, concrete. But it was a big rectangle, and he chipped out a heart from it. And I'm going to keep it.
I am it.
So I love that.
Can I hold it?
You can hold it.
Okay. It's a heart.
It's a heart.
It's a rock.
It is a rock. You can hold it. Okay, so let me put this stuff aside because now it's piling up. Hold on, my love.
It's a rock, boy.
Yeah, it's a rock.
It's a rock.
Okay, my mother-in-law gave me a card, and she wrote a note in the card, and in the card she gave me $50. With that $50, I was thinking of going to the nail salon because I've been wanting to get my nails done for a while, because every time I paint them 3 days later, this is what happens, and I'm just sick of having to paint my nails every 3 days, especially with a baby coming in about a week or 2. Okay, give me a second. I gotta get this stuff back in the bag. Okay, with that money that my mother-in-law gave me, instead of going to the salon, I decided to order this on Amazon.
Open it, Mom.
I will open it. Can you move this, please?
Okay.
Let Mommy put it away. Let me have it.
Can I have it?
No, my love, it's in the way right now. Okay. I gotta see if there's something I can do to seal this up so the little dirt pieces don't keep getting everywhere. You see it gets on the box and stuff. Anyways, I decided to get this so I can do my nails at home instead of going to the salon and spending $50 for one manicure. I could do it on my own multiple times.
Mommy,
I'm all about
Mommy,
getting the best bang for my buck. Yes,
Mommy,
baby. And DIY. So
Mommy,
yes, my love. Yes, thank you. I see it. Okay, I need to open this. Yes, I have my pocket knife.
You
Don't
open
touch.
You
Get-
open this.
Yeah, mommy, open it. You don't touch. It's sharp. Okay.
You open it.
Yes, mommy, open it, not you.
You open it.
Okay, now I close this and put away so he can't get it. Okay, so that's out of his reach now, so don't freak out, okay? He has no access to the sharp knife. I just
What
got
do
this
you
in the
got?
mail,
do
and
you
I've
got,
never
Ma?
done this before, so
What
I'm
do you
thinking,
got, Ma?
shh, I'm thinking,
What do you
yes,
got?
can you
What do
wait a second? I'm
what do
opening
you
it.
got?
It's for mommy nails, okay?
What do you got?
Thank you.
What do Mommy got?
Mommy got this for mommy nails. Quiet, please.
You
Okay.
got this for?
I was
No.
thinking of trying this on camera because I've never done it before. My nails look so jacked right
Open
now.
it, Ma.
Hold on, my love. Underneath it came, I'm assuming, an instruction manual. Yep, and then this is everything in the kit. I've seen so many videos on these. This is nothing new. This is not like any beauty review or anything that I'm doing.
What do you
It's
got,
just
Ma?
one of the things I
What
got
do
for my
you got,
birthday.
Ma?
And I'm probably
What
going
do
to try
you
to
got, Ma?
try it out for the first time on camera so that way you guys can share in my experience with me. And the last thing I got for my birthday, excuse me please, thank you for counting it. Okay, the last
What
thing
do
I
you
got for
got?
my
What do
birthday
you got?
is this. My husband got me this beautiful Michael Kors Saffiano leather satchel from
You got Mommy bike.
yes, mommy's bag. Funny story about this bag. This is the second time I own this bag. The first time my husband bought it for me for my 29th birthday, and I was being stupid and irrational, and I thought it was too small to hold what I needed every day, so I returned it for a bigger Michael Kors bag, which you can see right over there, the brown MK bag. That is the one that I had switched it out for. And that was my bag. That's been my bag every day for the past 5 or 6 years. But I really always regretted sending this back because it's just beautiful and I love it and I've been using it. So this was my big birthday gift from my husband. And I've been using it every day since. And it fits everything just fine. I was being so stupid 6 years ago. But, you know, it happens. Alrighty, so that is my birthday haul. I thank you guys for watching. Again, sorry for the interruptions with my little helper here. But I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.